Alright, so a little while ago, I put on my Instagram, and follow me right here if you want to see it. I put on Instagram a picture of a part that I wanted you guys to guess what I had received. This is what you guys saw. You guys saw this huge thing covered up, and I got a lot of comments saying it was some sort of splitter or something for the front. Someone even said it looked like a dildo packaged up. Today, we're gonna install it on the car. So let's do a big unboxing with you guys. I honestly forgot what it even looked like. Woohoo! Oh fuck, I forgot how good it looked. I forgot how good this looked. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright, if you guys guessed a carbon fiber front splitter, you guessed right. Take a look at how good this looks. That's right, real carbon fiber. Now, where I got it from, I think there was a company on Amazon. I forget what it's called, JC something. I'm not even sure. It wasn't cheap, but it's gonna practically bolt right onto the front, and I've never been more excited about an install. Let's stop talking. Let's get right into it.
Day 2.
What a horrible day. Obviously, yesterday I wasn't able to finish the video because, well, first of all, I thought it just bolted on to the OEM clips. However, it doesn't, and I found out that I have to actually screw into my bumper. Yeah, so now I'm on my way to get that. This morning I found out that my tire, well, my mag is cracked. Now my window, this window was not working, so I had to make it work. I actually have a package to pick up. I hope it's my kidney grills. But yeah, basically today it's just not a good day so far. Alright, well, I got my kidney grills finally. So expect the video on that. Basically, the other video that I'm gonna put the card up here, me and my girlfriend painted some my stock kidney grills, and I didn't sand and I didn't use primer. It kind of bit me in the ass, but anyways, let's go get the screws to finish my carbon fiber front splitter install. Alright, at the local BMR. So I found these 1/4 inch washers with these heavy duty screws, and I think that's it. We finally made it back home. I know I mentioned that earlier that I'd install them in a different video, but I think I'm gonna install the kidney grills I did today, so let's do a little unboxing. Okay, so right here, open it, nice packaging, that's all there, and we got one of our kidney grills here. Let's just open these up. Alright, so inside I had these. I had ordered the double slotted kidney grills that are, they should be, this is the third pair I buy, they should be direct replacements. And yeah, because obviously I wanted to do like a DIY. I spray painted them with my girlfriend, as I said, but all the paint chipped. Because our winters here are just phenomenal, so that stuff tends to happen. I'm gonna just do that super quick. I'm not gonna go into too much detail, but super quick. I'm just gonna say that basically all you need to look at is these clips on the one you just bought, and you're just gonna have to reach your hand in from the inside of the bumper. There's 4 T25s, I want to say, that hold on the bumper, so you're just gonna pull it back a bit, and then I'm gonna reach my hand under and like kind of undo the tabs and pop it out from inside out. So let me set you guys down, and at least let's get something done like immediately, just so I feel better a little bit about myself today. Okay, thanks. Alright, that's one. Fuck. Okay, that's 2. Alright, now let's put them back in. Let's just literally just push them in. So far so good. Oh, finally it fits. Oh my god, finally, bro. Alright, to put them on, they finally it actually fits. Only thing that I'm concerned about is that like kind of wiggles a little bit, but it's to be expected. I paid super cheap for them, so like whatever. But finally, I just wanted these grills like for the longest time, and I finally have them, and I'm happy. All right, moving on. Let's install this carbon fiber splitter. Now I'm just gonna jack the car up, and I'm gonna start placing everything and then marking it with some markers. I'm gonna drill a small hole, I think, first, and then I'm just gonna send it and just screw it in to the bumper properly. Okay, yeah, let's do this. All right, so I got it set up kind of like roughly mounted exactly where I would want it to be. I made it flush ending with the actual bumper here, so it's flush to that. Because it's carbon fiber, it's not exactly always perfect fit, but it's pretty close. Anyways, inside here there's like a groove. I don't know, oh my god, I'm dirty. I don't know how well you can see it on the actual piece. There's like a groove, and it fits somewhat perfectly with the groove on this bumper here at the bottom. Then at the bottom here, everything looks okay. It kind of would protrude a bit. Oh, not even actually. I just have to bolt it in, I think, and it's gonna here it would a bit, but it's okay. Honestly, I don't give a fuck. It looks nice. It looks better than what it was. And same thing on this side, matching with the bumper, so it's exactly flush. I'm really loving this finish. I know the lighting's bad, but this fitting, this is gonna look really cool once it's all like said and done. So I'm really excited to finish this. That's a nice side shot. I am gonna sell these mags because, like I said, it cracked this morning. I don't know, out of nowhere it just cracked, and I had to put my winters back on. But anyways, I'm probably gonna stick with Braylons or something. If you have a suggestion of tires mags that I should get, drop it down in the comment section below. But if you agree with me, Braylons, also tell me. I'm thinking about the gunmetal grays, the ones that look like Aventador. I'm gonna put a picture right here, and I think that would look really nice with my whole setup that I'm going here. I want to keep gunmetal gray. I don't want to go all black. I find that's overdone. I'm gonna change these silver to, I'm gonna spray paint them black or wrap them black. This tint can't like turn out really shit because of the winter. It started peeling up and it's gross. Anyways, that's gonna come off. Anyways, enough of me talking. Let me sit you guys down and let me start drilling some holes. Under the bumper here, there's these big ass holes that are that come on it already drilled out. So, and inside here there's a smaller hole that connects to well, these like at the tip. You see that shiny part? That's my actual bumper. So I'm gonna drill a hole through there, like a little one, and then I'm gonna screw it with the drill bits that I just bought. And obviously I'm gonna put a washer just to, I don't want any problems with this. I'm dreading the winter, by the way, when we get like 20 centimeters of snow. Not enough. Anyways, enough talking. I'm talking a lot today. Let me put you guys down and let me start drilling these holes. Okay, that's one. I think so far it's going well, I think. Can't see all that much, but fuck it, send it. I'm already pretty balls deep. Let's move you guys over here now. Oh, perfect angle. Get in the right hole, Jolene, jeez. Okay, you've been practicing all your life. Fucking hurts. Always use protection kits. What I had to cut before with the Dremel was because it was just, there was like a bolt from the stock bumper that was just sticking out a bit, and I just had to cut the carbon fiber just a little bit, just so that it would clear. But that clears, and now, bro, it looks fucking great. I'm gonna wash the car real quick, and then I'm gonna give you guys a little cinematic. In 3, 2, 1, let's go.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Started my week on a Sunday. They think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off. Waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gonna.
Alright guys, so that was the install. I forgot my camera at home, so I'm gonna be using my phone. The car looks like absolutely fantastic. I couldn't be happier despite all the setbacks today. It looks absolutely amazing, and I'm just happy to finally install this. You guys first saw this on Instagram, so if you want to be seeing things before it hit YouTube, because it 100% always hits Instagram before YouTube. Just like right now, I took some pictures. I'm about to post them on Instagram. So if you want to follow the Instagram gang, right here at thegens19, you can follow me. That's where you could reach me if you want to talk to me directly. If not, drop a comment down below in the comment section. And like the video if this was inspirational, if you liked it at all, or just enjoyed the install that I did for you guys. We did a 2-in-1 today. I wanted to do a front end, whole nice package, just because of the setbacks, and I couldn't be happier with my decision, honestly. So I'm gonna keep taking pictures of the car. I'll catch up with you guys later. Remember to drive what drives you, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
I keep my foot on the gas. Ayy. I know I'm never gonna crash. I know I'm never gonna crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy. Never be slowing it down. Never be slowing it down. Ayy. I keep my foot on the gas. I keep my